In this video, I will show you how to remove bank account on Prizepicks. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on prizepicks.com. Now I've actually found this article to give you some more information. If you want to check this out, it's prizepicks.com/help-center/deposits. On this page, if you actually scroll down towards the bottom, there is some information on how to remove bank accounts or payment methods. So you can see down here, we've got this question: how do I remove or replace payment methods associated with my Prizepicks account? So it says you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. Now, in order to do this, what you want to do is just log into your account and tap the deposit button in the top right hand corner. Now, once you're on the deposits page, you should now see a trash can icon. What you need to do is click the icon to remove a payment method. If the trash can icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to finish. Just a couple of guidelines is that you may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reasons, PayPal does not permit you to remove your account. So by following those guidelines, you'll be able to go ahead and remove a bank account on Prizepicks, and that is how to remove bank account on Prizepicks. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.